Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
How many other people carry the washing out in a bucket? I hope when I'm out shopping, no one sneaks in my garden and pinches these merino wool socks. Who remembers standing on the kipaks? Look at that snail. They get everywhere, but that has been killed by my slug pellets. The plants are bought from the scouts. They're coming on nicely. As are my gooseberries. But what I've got to do now, I'm going to order my tent. And then I've got to get uptown, turn that light off, save a few pence, and do a bit of shopping. We had a great day out yesterday in the lakes. And I took obviously my camera and my tripod to try and get some video shots. The light was absolutely fantastic, but on looking at the video clips this morning, most of them are unusable. I'm gutted. Why? Because of the wind. It was horrendous, and I had my camera on the tripod and the wind is making every few seconds. As for updating the clips to Shutterstock, can't be done, but I'll have to try again. Right, I'm going to order my tent. Let's get that done and then that's out of the way. Right, what I'm going for is the Optimus X Lite Nomad Solo 4 Season. I'm going for this bundle as well. The Optimus down quilt and the insulated sleeping pad. So let's place the order. After emailing Ben from Optimus, I told him I will film his tent in a number of videos. He's kindly given me the footprint for free. Right, let's get ordering. I've had to join the wait list. It's out of stock. The tent's out of stock and the quilt is out of stock. Will anything ever go right? Now then, where are we? Take two to head to the river and get some long exposure shots at high tide. I've been out of the house 2 minutes, it started raining. You could not make it up. Probably got another half a metre to go, and then the aqueduct in the distance, and get it all nice and sharp. That was good fun, I enjoyed that. Also this morning before I came out, I was looking at some vlogs in Bangkok, in old Bangkok, and that's really inspired me, because that's what I want to do. I want to get round there making videos, taking photographs. So I've saved all the locations from the various videos and added it to my plan. I'll get there soon, don't worry, I'll get there soon. Yeah, one of the areas I was looking at this morning on a video, it's a place in Bangkok called Talat Plu, and it's like an old railway station, oldie worldy buildings, a food market. It looks really nice. So I'm going to pay that a visit. I'm going to stay in Bangkok for a while, I think, and explore Udon Thani, etc, wherever. But when I get there, I'll make the most of it and create loads of videos. I've also had an idea, it's come to me as I've been ambling along. I'm going to put a video up called something like, how can I possibly recreate this? I'll put a video showing some of the best clips with me, the old Doc, Bob, Mickey Two Toes, the Rab, things like that. And that video, because it's Thailand based, should get my watch hours over the line. I know a lot of these photography videos and videos from the lakes and videos in my garden, and not everyone's cup of tea. I understand that, but I've got to keep my mind active, keep creating and editing. I enjoy it, but also it's keeping my YouTube channel going because it died. I didn't upload anything for over 12 months. Monetization, everything gone. So I want it up and running for when I get back to Thailand, because when I get to Thailand I'm going to make the videos and I want my channel to be already monetized. Just having a mouthful of nuts, fruit and nut. That's all I've had to eat today. It is now 12:30 and I was up early, and by early I mean 4:45, and I didn't close my eyes till 2 in the morning, maybe 2:15. I could not sleep. I was editing some stock footage videos for maybe 2 hours before I went to bed, and I could not settle when I got into bed. I had images and everything going round and round and round in my head. Even watched a bit of YouTube, a bit of TV, couldn't drift off. Eventually I must have fallen asleep, but I've had about 3 hours kip. So I feel tired today, but it's happening more and more. Is it something that happens when you get older? More and more, I cannot get a good night's sleep. And another thing I've found is I keep forgetting things. Where have I put my phone? Where's my bank card? Where's my shoes? Have I locked the door? Left the tap on the other day. I'm getting more and more forgetful. I don't know. Is it just an age thing? Are you all like that? Or is it just me, slowly falling apart? Although it's not raining, do I head to town in this fleece or put on my waterproof jacket? What do I do? Decisions. What do I do? Because set off, and if it starts raining, or I could put my waterproof jacket on, and if the sun stays out, it makes you sweat more. You can bet your bottom dollar that whatever I do will be wrong. Now, just walking around my garden there, showing you what look like weeds, but they're not weeds. They are poppies. And over the years, I keep pulling them out. But this year I'm going to leave them and let them grow, because they are absolutely stunning. And sometimes you go to 2-3 foot high, and they're good for photography. But I am going to buy some weed killer and kill the rest of the little weeds, but I'm going to leave the poppies and let them thrive. I know I'm making a mistake by doing that, because next year there'll be even more, but I'm not bothered. I am not bothered. That is my new attitude in life. I'm not bothered. Right, Owen, stop messing about. Get yourself uptown to the bank. Have a wander around. I'm going to have a look around a few charity shops, see if there's any decent books, things like that. And I've got to go to Sainsbury's. It's all hectic. I was supposed to be meeting my daughter No sign of her. I'm sick of waiting for her, so I'm heading off. But you can bet that as soon as I set off, the phone will ring. But she's on her own.